What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while. I think it's been probably a good month since I posted a video. Sorry, life kind of took over, but I've got some stuff saved up I wanted to share with y'all. About a month ago, my dad and I attended the Barber Small Bore Fest down in Leeds, Alabama at Barber Motorsports Park. We took the Project Old Krusty, class of 1974 XL70 you see over there, and we took this K0 CT70 that really hasn't been featured on the channel yet. You may have seen it in the background a few times, but this is it. While we were there in the vendor area, there was a company there that had a mobile dyno. I believe it was CJR Performance was the name of the company. I'll drop a link in the description to their website and their Facebook page. But I couldn't resist it. I'm sure you've already noticed this CT70 is far from stock. So let's just jump out here real quick, and I'm going to show you a little bit about it. All right, guys, just going to give you a quick walk around of what we've got here. This is a K0 CT70. This was originally a 3-speed bike. It's got a build date in 1969, as you can see there. So again, completely original Honda frame with quite a few extras added on. It's got a YX140cc aftermarket Chinese engine. It's got 12-inch aluminum rims. It's got your, of course, your aftermarket inverted front suspension. It's got an aftermarket muffler, aftermarket rear shocks, as you can see there. And over here we've got a 26 millimeter Nibby carburetor. I'm running that straight out of the box. No jet tuning, no adjustments to the needle. It's just exactly the way it came out of the box. Of course, we've got a nice front disc brake there. This is a complete 12-volt system. I've got a 12-volt battery under the seat. And as you can see, I've got some custom decals there with the Twirl 140 on it. All right, now that you know everything about the bike, one thing I want to add, it is a 4-speed manual. So these CT70s stock run somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 horsepower. That's how they were produced back in the day. This YX140 engine, you'll see several different numbers, but you know, roughly they advertise about 11 horsepower at the wheel. So let's jump right into it, and I'm going to show you some of these videos of us dynoing this bad boy. All right, about to dyno the CT70. Get her strapped down. Who's going to guess the horsepower? I'm going to guess 15. Looks like 10.3 horsepower. Compare that to stock. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Now let's get down to the numbers. I mentioned somewhere in the neighborhood of 11 horsepower. She made 10.34 horsepower at the wheel at about 8,500 RPM. Not a bad number. Obviously pretty close to what they advertise these at. And I'm gonna let me throw up the dyno sheet here real quick for you to take a look at. All right, so 10.34 horsepower at 8,500 RPM, 4-speed manual YX140 on a K0 CT70. Yes, it's fast, and yes, it's scary, but it's also fun. Hope everyone enjoyed the video, and make sure you like and subscribe and tune in for the next video coming up on Project Old Crusty. Thank you.